Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Sumra. Thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate it. So as you can see, my makeup looks a little different. That's because your girl has no lashes on. But as you can tell by the title of this video, we are going to talk all things lashes. How to apply them, how to clean them, how to take care of your lashes, and all that kind of stuff. So I hope you guys are ready because it's going to be a fun little video. Okay, so as you can see, I'm not wearing any lashes. I didn't even prep my lashes like I normally would if I were to put on falsies. So we're going to go through the whole process. And what you honestly need in order to get a perfect lash application is a pair of scissors, lash scissors, tweezers, lash glue, and a pair of lashes. These are Lavishly She Is lashes. I am doing this video to kind of showcase these lashes just because they were sent to me and they wanted me to showcase them. So we're going to try these out. Now if you know me or have been following me for a while, at least on Instagram, you guys know I'm a Lily Lash girl. So these are the lashes like I live by, I swear by. These are, I mean, they have not failed me. I love them. This is obviously a new pack, but I mean, I have like so many just like sitting here, like a box of Lily lashes. This is on, like, these are a worn pair, which I'm going to show you how to take off the glue off a worn pair of lashes. But anyway, this video is specifically for Lavishly She Is. She is on Instagram. She does hair extensions and lashes. These lashes cost about, I believe, $15 to $20. This one is 016. Put a little close-up of it. As you can see, I don't know if you can see because like the light is like reflecting onto the background of this. And I kind of don't want to do that. Here, I don't know if that might help. So as you can see, these lashes are very winged out, which is why I did a very winged out eye look today because I wanted to kind of compliment the eye. So they're pretty winged out, they're pretty long and wispy, pretty dramatic. Looks like I have a pretty decent lash band. But let's just get right into it, okay? So first step is taking the lash off the lash holder. Now your first instinct is probably to like go in and go like that. We don't want to do that, okay? You will ruin the lash. And these are mink, so usually mink lashes, like Lily lashes and like these lashes, when they're, or any other mink lash, to be honest, if you pull like that, you're gonna pull hairs out because they're handmade. Most mink lashes are handmade, so you don't want to do that. My best practice is take the tweezers. I'm gonna try to show you how to do this, and just grab the lash from the end and pull. As you can see, that made it super easy. And then you do the same thing with the other side, or you can just keep going. And just like that. Without ruining the actual lash or taking off any of the hairs. To get a closer look, it's a really pretty lash. I'm really excited to wear it. I think it's going to look really good. This is not the only lash they sent me, by the way. They sent me this other one. This is a little more on the natural side, I think. Oh no, sorry. This is actually the more dramatic pair. Here, let me pull it out so you guys can see it. This one is D12 by Lavishly She Is. And this one is what this one looks like. I have like makeup all over my hands. As you can see, this is super dramatic. Crisscrossed. That actually looks really pretty. Now, if I was going somewhere like a night out, I would probably wear these. But I'm honestly not doing anything today besides getting my nails done and babysitting my nephews. So I will not be putting these lashes on today. But I just wanted to show you that they did send me 2 pairs, and that was one of them, and that was D12. And it's a pretty lash. Like, I can't wait to try that. But we're going to kind of just do this one right here. So as you can see on this lash, those little side things that stick out, you want to cut that off, okay? That's my first step, is always to cut that off so I can actually see like what the actual lash is, because that's just kind of extra for pulling the lash off the holder. So just kind of cut it just like that. Okay, so now you have the lash. Perfect. Now this one, as you can see, is a wing lash because it tapers out. Where's my tweezer so you can actually see what's going on? You can see it tapers in the front of the lash, so right here it gets thinner, whereas on the outer edges of the lash it gets longer and fuller. So that means there is a left and right lash, so you don't want to mix that up. So this one is obviously my right lash, and you want to measure it. So I always take a mirror, which apparently I don't have one. This has a mirror on the side. I'm trying not to use it. You take a mirror and look down and kind of measure out the lash. I don't put it all the way towards the inner corner because that's what irritates you. And then whatever part is sticking out, I think these lashes could fit me if I really wanted to not cut them. I probably could just leave them. But I am going to cut them a little bit. I'm going to cut it, and I'm legit just going to cut it. So I'm basically going to cut it right here. Just like that. Okay, that's all I really needed to cut off. My eyes are pretty long, so I feel like I can get away with a lot of lashes. But I still cut them because I don't want it to go all the way in here because that's when I feel like they start to poke me. So I kind of have it go a little bit further out, and then I'll put mascara and liner to kind of fill in that gap. Okay, so we did that. Go ahead and do that to the other lash. I'm gonna go ahead and do that real quick, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, they're moving stuff downstairs, so if you hear stuff in the background, that's what you're hearing. Anyway, now what I like to do is apply the lash glue, which I'm using Duo Lash Glue. This is my favorite glue. It's better than the squeeze ones because this has a applicator, which makes it a lot easier to apply the glue, and you're not applying too much or too little glue. There is the House of Lashes lash glue, which mine is out, which I also really like. But that one is like when you are going out and you got like, your lashes cannot move, and they're gonna stay there forever. But I'm not trying to do that right now. Like I said, I have nowhere to go. So you're just gonna apply to the band. I like to apply a little extra on the corners just because I feel like that's where mostly lash gets lifted. Okay. Same thing to the other lash. Once you've applied lash glue to the lashes, let them sit. I like to multitask, okay? So they have to get a little tacky. So what I like to do in the meantime is prep my lashes. So first, I already have a little bit of shadow, so I don't really need liner or anything. If you want to hide the lash band, I would recommend putting liner. I'll just do it for the sake of the video. This is the Epic Ink Liner by NYX. And what you're going to do is just apply a little bit of liner so it blends in. That's all you really need. Okay, and then curl your lashes. Okay, and then mascara. You always want to apply, I like to apply mascara before applying my lashes because if you want to keep your lashes like longer, applying mascara like kind of lessens the lifespan of them. So I apply mascara before, so I don't have to apply it to my falsies. So if you ever feel like you pay so much for lashes and you're like, why aren't they lasting that long? They're supposed to last like 10 wears. It's probably because you put mascara on them. Like you clean your lashes at the end of the night when you take your makeup off. You're not cleaning your lashes, like your falsies. And when I say clean them, like before you wear them or whatever, that means taking the old glue off the lash band. And I've already like set my face with a setting spray. So mascara, ooh, won't run. Now that your lashes are prepped, you can go ahead and apply your lashes. They're probably not fully dry yet, so I'm going to talk about a little bit of how to take care of your lashes after you've worn them. So these are Lily lashes that I've already worn. As you can tell, they're worn. You can kind of still see the glue on the lash. I don't know if you can see it or not, but you can kind of see the glue that's still on the lash. This one I've only worn a couple times, so there's not too much glue on it. So what you want to do is hold the lash really tightly, okay? You're holding super tight. And kind of just peel off the glue. Now you can use tweezers. I've tried using tweezers, but I feel like it just doesn't, I feel like I've ruined the lash so many times doing that, so I don't like to use that. I feel like it's just easier to kind of peel off the glue with your hand because you can kind of feel it. I feel like tweezers are kind of like blocking you from feeling what you're pulling off. And like, as you can see, it's just on my hand. It fell right here, so I'm going to clean that up later. And there you go. You now have a clean lash band that you can use again and won't have any issues. And always put them back in the box like I have here. Hopefully you can like kind of push it back against thing so they can't lose their shape. Essentially that's what that's doing. And the Lily lashes are round lashes. These are my So Extra Miami. These are round lashes, so it doesn't matter which one's left or right, so you don't have to worry too much about which way you're putting them in here. But that's how I kind of clean my lash and put them back and make sure I take care of them, because like I said, these are expensive lashes. You don't want to just treat them like they're nothing, because they are something. I need like a good mirror. So I like a compact mirror for the next step. Okay, applying the lashes. So this is just a blush. It's Tarte Cosmetics. It has a nice mirror on the inside of it. I'm going to go ahead and use that. So your lashes should probably be a little tacky by now. And you're going to just go ahead and apply. I don't know if I should. I'm getting a little bit closer to my face right now, okay? This is the left eye, so we're going to go ahead and apply it to the left eye. So what you want to do is first you want to look down into the compact so you can see your lash line, and then you're going to go ahead, apply to the center, okay? Then I like to do the outer part. Just like so. And go in with the inner. Just like that. Then I like to squeeze my lashes together. The real with the fake. Now, if you're a beginner and you're doing this, I would recommend using tweezers. They do have lash applicators. Tweezers are just handy for me, and I've been doing this like for a while, so if you're not used to it, I wouldn't recommend it. And there you go, easily applied. You go ahead and do it to the other side. There you go, you have successfully applied your lashes. And these lashes look amazing. Oh, I was just complaining about how I don't buy any more wing lashes, so I'm so glad they sent me wing lashes. Oh, they look so good. And then just in case if you're feeling like your lash lashes that play in you or anything like that, you know, whatever, like your lash glue is like just popping. I like to go back in with some of that black liner and just kind of graze over the lash. That way there's no ifs, ands, or buts about it, you know? Okay, I'm gonna zoom you guys out because y'all are too close. Okay. So, yeah, you have successfully applied your lashes. I hope this video was useful, okay? I'm actually really loving these lashes. I think they look so good, especially with this eye look. It just kind of really just wings out and like just, I can't stop staring at them. So those were Lavishly She Is in the style 16. Super cute. I'm going to put a link for their website down below and all that kind of stuff, their Instagram and everything down below. So if you want to buy them, want to look into it, I would highly recommend it. As for a girl who loves her lily lashes, I mean, these are pretty good. I mean, they are not, I mean, definitely look at the lash. Like, obviously D12 is like super dramatic. I would not recommend that for someone who doesn't like love dramatic lashes. Like, these are wearable, I think, in my opinion. And these were the lash 16. So that was super cute. The box is really cute too. I kind of love it. So yeah, that was my little thing about how to apply falsies. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful for everyone who's trying to be putting on lashes. Like, trust me, you guys, it took me forever to learn how to put lashes on. I went from like pulling my eye and like sticking it on there to like, you know, like using fingers to my nails. Then I finally learned that tweezers save your life. Lash applicators save your life. So I would highly recommend using this. This is just the Anastasia tweezer. I mean, they're just what I literally use. I have one for my eyebrows and one for my lashes. True story. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was super helpful, and before you leave, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up if this was super helpful and if you want to see videos more like this. And leave a comment down below. Tell me what your favorite lash brand is. Tell me something about yourself, okay? But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.